Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and now let's go to the video mode. Simply tap on the video. Now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 4 different options and different frames per second. So all we have to do is to tap on the option we'd like to use. I'll choose 8K, and if it is highlighted and if the icon changed here, it means that we just successfully set the specific resolution, and from now on your device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.